This motorhome is the Chic C Line T4.8 LE from Carthago. As you can see, it's a semi-integrated model, and this one will cost around €91,000. This vehicle is 735 centimeters in length, and it can come on a Alco light chassis 35, which can be put on a 4.5 ton basis, which with an empty weight less than 3 tons would give an enormous amount of payload. Should you want that enormous amount of payload, you can even put this on a 3.5 ton basis. So a vehicle of this size, and that I think is quite good. Storage under the beds, and of course steps up, and the steps will move backwards and forwards. Here we've got a flat floor throughout, and the flat floor contains storage in the double floor, which will also provide insulation. There's your washroom with this enormous mirror there, and you can see yourself in the mirror. And let's go over to the other side, where we will find this large wardrobe, storage beneath. Here is the kitchen, which is also quite large, 3 burners, and here is the sink as well. There's an awful coffee machine, and look at all this storage around it. Now see how much storage you can get by getting rid of the bed up front. Obviously you get a freezer and a fridge, as you always do with all vehicles. Nice sitting area. Remember that this is quite a short vehicle by Carthago standards. It comes with a rather large garage. You can get 350 kilos in there. There you get a little idea of the storage capacity in the double floor. And to me personally, I would rather have a semi-integrated vehicle like this than an integrated one, but I realize that that is a minority opinion, the same as I like manual vehicles over automatics. So thanks very much for watching this. That gives a quick idea under 3 minutes. If you want more details, there'll be a link below on a more detailed video.